In the vast expanse of deserts around the world, including California, Qatar, and Chile, an eerie and captivating phenomenon known as the singing sand dunes occurs. When the sand shifts, whether due to wind or human activity, these dunes emit a loud, low-pitched rumble that can be heard for miles. This natural symphony is the result of specific conditions where the sand particles interact in a way that generates sound waves. The sound is created when grains of sand, under certain conditions, move and collide, creating vibrations that travel through the air. This effect, known as sand dune singing, happens only in particular types of sand and under specific moisture and temperature conditions. The unique acoustics of these dunes have fascinated scientists and visitors alike, adding an auditory dimension to the desert landscape. For more awe-inspiring natural phenomena and unique facts, remember to like, share, and follow for continuous updates.